Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. Next we draw same semicircle under first one. Now, we draw some small circle, like that. We draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw another straight line. And we join these two with a curve. Now, we draw handle of the cup. First we draw a curve, and we draw same into it. Heart shape. Now it's time to coloring. We use yellow color on the top part of the cup. We color it very carefully. Yellow color. In the lower part, we use red color. It's a common household item, often made of ceramic, glass, or plastic. Cups come in various sizes and designs, from delicate teacups to sturdy travel mugs. People use cups for enjoying beverages like coffee, tea, water, and juice. Can also be a symbol of hospitality, offered to guests as a gesture of welcome. Red color. We use light green color in the heart shape. Here we use sky blue to color the handle of the cup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.